In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off and delete Gemini AI activity. If you've been using Gemini for a while, it may be saving your interactions to personalize results and improve the service. That can be helpful, but if you want more control over your privacy, you can stop new activity from being saved and remove what's already stored. I'll walk you through the exact place to make that change and explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're choosing. Start by going to your Gemini account. Open Gemini and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. It's important to use the correct account if you have more than one, because the changes you make apply only to the one that's currently signed in. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find Settings in the main menu, a sidebar, or near your profile icon. This is where all the privacy and personalization controls live. Take a moment to let the page load completely so all options are visible. Now, click Activity. This section shows information about your interactions and how they're being handled. It's the central place to manage what's saved and how long it's kept. Opening Activity brings you to the controls you need. On the Activity page, look for a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to expand more options. If you don't see it right away, scan near the top of the section or next to the activity status. It often appears beside a brief summary of what's currently enabled. Expanding this area reveals the actions available to you. From the expanded menu, select Turn Off and Delete Activity. Turning off activity stops Gemini from saving new interactions going forward. Deleting activity removes the history that's already been saved. This combination gives you a clean slate and prevents future storage. After you choose it, you may see a brief explanation or confirmation message. Review it so you're clear on what will change. A few quick notes before you finish. Deleting past activity cannot be undone, so make sure you're comfortable proceeding. Depending on the service's policies, removal can take some time to fully process. Also, once activity saving is off, some features may feel less personalized, since Gemini won't use your past interactions to tailor responses. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this same activity area and turn saving back on. And that's it. You went to your Gemini account, opened Settings, clicked Activity, expanded the options with the arrow, and selected Turn Off and Delete Activity. You're now in control of what's saved and what isn't.